Alice, what were you trying to tell me a minute ago? Oh, really? Anything else? Uh-huh. What's a new one? It's a new one too. I see. Well, I never. Alice has an opinion about everything. This is what she did when the nutritionalist was telling us all about things you should eat. Good one, Alice. Good one.